This one had the crack in the floor of the shower, and so of course I injected the expanding foam underneath there, and then I'll put a polyester, basically a polyester glaze, and I'll bring it right up here and follow it along, because there's no way I'm going to match that color. It's kind of a yellowish, not even like a factory bathtub color. So anyway, it's going to be a white pan, and then I'll do this front out here to match so everything looks uniform on that. Put a little bit of a slip resistance on it, and I will show it off here in a little bit. And everything is done. Rubbed up on the sides and filled in the cracks. They'll be ready to use after 5 p.m. tomorrow.